So this is my amazing oil cleanser slash moisturizer. It has some amazing benefits. Look at those dried peach petals. It has sweet almond oil, vitamin E, coconut oil, jojoba oil, and grapeseed oil. Hey everybody, this is my TikTok and I will have this linked in the description box below so you guys can go and be a part of that also. I do a lot of updates on there for what's coming next. So if you don't want to miss out on anything, you can just go ahead and subscribe to my TikTok. And if you have not already done so with my Instagram pages, you can go there and follow me also. One is Queens by Inga and one is Queensinc. I would love to have you a part of my Instagram platforms also. And if you have not already done so, just go ahead and smash that subscribe button. We would love to have you a part of this Queens Nation. You don't want to miss out on this. So let's get into this video. So when I took the plastic wrapping off of this, I did not record it. What I did was I sanitized the machine down, and what I usually sanitize with is I have 2 spray bottles with alcohol, and I also use Odobahn. So this is the talked about, I guess you guys have seen this before, lip gloss filling machine, or cosmetic, I should say, filling machine. It's for your cosmetic products that you need to fill, like such as oils and bases and stuff like that. I think it's a great investment for your business, especially if you have like bulk orders, like huge orders. This is perfect and is less time consuming. So you guys would want to just look into this, and I will have where I purchased it from and everything in the description box below. So it comes in this box like this. At least this one came. I don't know how the others would come. I think this box is like 2.5 feet. Yeah, it's a very huge box, and as you can see, this product is a very huge. So today I'm taking you guys along with me, and I'm just going to be filling these 16-ounce bags with gloss base. This is a new size that I'm introducing to my line, so you guys can go and check that out sometime this week. Okay, so this is how it looks without the wrapping, and as you can see, it has a level on the side with a red ball on top. So this is what you would use to extract the product. This silver big bowl looking thing is what you would apply your product into. Okay, it did have a few extra pieces of equipment in the packaging, like the screwdrivers, the plastic rings, and another smaller attachment for this filling machine. It has the cover, as you can see, sitting right there, and I have my scale ready, and we're gonna get ready to fill these lip gloss face bags. Okay, I'm gonna pause for a while and just let you guys watch me fill the bags, but right now I'm just gonna get ready to pour the lip gloss bucket, like half fill this into this machine, and yeah, we're gonna get started doing this. So yeah, you see me have on my waistband because this is gonna be very tiresome at some point in time, so it's a good workout and exercise for me. The lighting in this video was not that good. It was too bright. Still trying to get this lighting thing sorted out, so but you guys will see much of it and what's going on, so let's get into it. So you guys know that this is the first time I'm using this machine. I'm new at it. um, what I forgot to say, it's pretty simple. You just pour it in and you go to work and use it just like that. There's no complications or whatever going on with this. So this is my first time, like I said, so you guys can be patient with me and just follow along, okay? And if you have any questions about this machine, please ask and comment below. Thank you. I am weighing them right now. I'm just gonna weigh a few of them for the first go around, and then I get the gist of the amount that I need to put in these bags. I'm gonna go a little over for you guys, okay? A little over. So yeah, guys, it's rest time, and I have filled like 20 of these bags already. And what I'm gonna do is label them in a day or two, and you guys can check them out on the website. And what I wanted to say was, you saw me squeezing the bags. That's where I was trying to get into the nooks and crannies of these bags, so that everything is settled incorrectly. It's similar to like filling the lip gloss tubes. You know, you have to get into those corners. Yeah, it's like that. But however, it worked out perfect, and the machine is a good machine. It's less time consuming. I would purchase it again if I have to. Yeah, so you guys can look into this if you have like huge orders or whatever. But go ahead and subscribe to this channel, hit that notification bell, and like these videos. It helps these videos to get out there, and it will be a huge support for me. So once again, thank you, and I will see you queens in my next video. Okay, bye.